So I'm getting to drive this. Hey, only at the shop, not down the road. But yeah, I'm getting to drive this. Awesome. Forgot to mention too, I'm also driving this thing, guys. This old Tesla. I haven't got a clue about Teslas, but yeah, this is a Tesla. 2016 model Tesla. I don't even know how it bloody works. Tesla, open door. I don't know. I haven't got a clue. But two totally different vehicles. I was going to say motorized vehicles, but it's not a motorized vehicle. It's a battery powered vehicle. So Connor's putting the old keep me clean seat cover. So I'm reversing the Model S P90. I haven't got a clue. It's just a glorified PlayStation.
Your seat's gonna do some mad thing.
Does the seat mould to my body?
See, this is what I keep questioning myself. Do you feel in the right position?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do it all the time, but then you see the owner, he's small. Do the seats go to your body?
No.
Is it just to a set position?
It moulded to my shape.
Crushing you?
It moulded to my shape. I'm comfortable now.
Are you?
Yeah.
He tries crushing me. He like rams my gut up against the steering wheel. See, mate.
Hey! Echo's not working? Come on, that's slow as crap, that is. Are we on? Is that it?
Gear shifter here. If that's the one, and you're ready to go.
God, this is dodgy.
He doesn't feel right, does
Wow.
he? No. Oh, hang on.
What?
On that in there.
Oh, the Tesla car key. I'm nervous as crap, I swear. This is weird, this is. Don't hit nothing, Stu. Because it's a Tesla at the end of the day, it's not going to be cheap. Now put it into park, drive, and then go forward. So the first time driving a Tesla, or was it Tesla? I don't know. Where's the key gone? To be fair, it is a bit wow. I'm not being like rude or anything, but how much is this car? And we just put it into neutral. But look at this. I mean, come on. There's not much going on really, to be fair. It's just like, this is just too much. It's just glorified. I know you can turn this into race mode and you got all your vehicles, the driving, the output, autopilot, you got vehicle functionality, all this crap, software updates. So we're in the Model S P90, all that, driving, quick controls, open the sunroof. So it's got a full panoramic roof, which is pretty cool. Let's close it. Stop. That's pretty cool. So you can stop it where you want. That's pretty awesome. I like that. Folding the mirrors, yeah. That's pretty awesome. Unfold the mirrors. What else have we got to play with while we're in the car? What's this? Brightness. Oh, that's the screen brightness. Where's all the fun? The fun bits. Brightness, day, night time. Well, that's pretty cool. That goes dark too. Auto. Oh, brightness. Turn it up. Touchscreen, English, navigation. Where's the fun bits? Display. There's not much to play with really. Oh, what have I done? Uh oh. Manual won't turn off. Oh god, what have I done? I broke it. Shit. Oh, there you go, back to normal. Quick controls, turn it off. That's all you got to play with really. Like I say, I don't know what I'm doing. Quite, in my opinion, the price you pay for these. It's a bit crap. Anyway, let's go and drive the Escort. Let's turn this off. Where's the off button? Tesla off. Off Tesla.
Oh, you can't, it's in valet mode.
You can play it, that's all I can do?
Yeah, that's all you can do. You can't get under the bonnet.
In valet mode, so you can't play.
Restricts the power and everything.
Okay, then there you go. I was trying to get all the Mars and the space things up and the rockets and everything.
You want to try and find Jupiter?
I was trying to do something.
They don't let you do nothing in one of them.
Right then, the toy. I'd have this 20 times over more than that bloody what you call it.
Right, you've got to catch a starter on there.
Oh, I'll get you. Old school, just. No?
No, just a little crank and a bit of pedal.
Crank and a bit of pedal.
Yeah. You having it in there?
No, you be called me, but I'll pay it afterwards and whatever.
Go on.
Proper muscle builders.
Weird it is.
Today we are looking at this beauty, Mark II Escort. Oh, sorry about the weird noises, but will you have a look at this? So we can't take this for a test drive, but I have been driving it around the yard. This is just like a viewing point of a is this what they call a cross flow engine? Look at this, that's kind of really rubbing me up the wrong way, but I'll allow it because of what she actually is, and she is a gorgeous orange. There's a few imperfections here and there, but I'm just gonna brush past it because this thing is just pop one of these off. Oh, she's got original spots. Are they Lucas? Were they Lucas? I'm not sure. These are modern headlamps. They've got the halogen bulbs, I think. Now, the ones that watch my content will know that I know where there are at least 30 of these Mark II grills, and yes, I had to leave them behind. It made me cry. There's also Mark 1s there too. The chrome makes me cry, but at the end of the day, what can you do? Because I don't own them. Look at these beautiful wheels. I forget what these are called. Are they mini light? Yeah, mini lights. I was right. Got the old dice, orange dice. All the interior, all underneath here. Look at that. Oh, she's beautiful. So this car has never seen a spot of rain. Like I say, there are a few imperfections, like this here, and all on here. The overspray. Original interior. Original brown interior with brown dash, very clean. Original carpets, original stereo. She's done, we'll get around that side in a second, but she's all beautiful. I like that there, that's pretty cool. I don't know what this blue paint here is for, but that kind of would annoy the crap out of me as well. He's got harnesses in. I'm not too sure what he thinks it's running, but I'm sure those harnesses aren't needed. That lock's a bit tight. Bit of overspray here as well, but nothing too bad. Can easily be cleaned off. Original back seats as well. Gorgeous. Parcel shelf. Pretty clean. Beautiful back end as well. Nice little chrome tip. I don't like these things, they're not really my cup of tea, but oh, that's going to pop open, that is. So he's had the lock removed in favour of these things, which I don't particularly like, but each their own. Looks pretty clean in the back, really clean. fuel tank, new fuel tank I think. Definitely a new fuel tank. Yep. The chrome work on here is just perfect. Nice blinkers. Beautiful chrome fuel cap. Lombard Rally, if you know you know. Carpets are lovely in the back as well. I kind of needs gluing on. Catches there, look. So the mileage on her is 76,000. 76,000. Got a temp gauge just in case. Like I say, original carpets. Again, blue paint there. I don't know what the blue paint's for, but maybe this car was blue, but I can't see no signs of blue anywhere, so I don't think it was. Roof lining is not too bad. It's falling apart at the back there, but this old school perforated roof liner. Original rear view mirror with the old iconic dice. I'm going to start her up. She's a bit of a lumpy ticker over her. She sounds like Annie, my little ticker. She's a sweet looking car. Now, the one thing I can't stand is this here. That there was just not necessary. It just looks silly. Sorry, but it just does. Right then, let's get back into the... Who's bidding? A really, really nice car. It's like a little dog wagging his tail. So this car's been at a few Ford shows, so I'm pretty sure you would have seen it. Well then, I hope you like. So I hope you like this little feature. This is the sort of thing that I want us to continuously bring to the channel. So if you do like this type of little features now and again, just let me know, and we do more of these kind of features. You know that I'm in love with my classic Fords and classic Vauxhalls and classic BMWs and anything classic really. But yeah, I hope you like this little snippet, this little feature of such an iconic Mark II Ford Escort. She is beautiful and I'm in love with her. So we're gonna put her away now, back under cover, and then we're gonna crack on with stripping the van. So see you in a second. This car, Ford Orion. That's an unreal find, that is. The keys in the ignition too, this one has. Quite a rare Escort. But this is what I'm so upset to see.